Good day everyone, I am Teacher Jane, and for today's video I am going to discuss to you the difference between the weather and the climate. We hear about weather and climate at all of the time. Most of us check the local weather forecast to plan out days, and climate change is certainly a hot topic in the news. There is still a lot of confusion over the difference between the two. So, let us think this two in a simple way, wherein climate is what you expect, but weather is what you get. Sometimes when we are bored, we wondered why there's sunny days or rainy days. Well, weather has something to do with how hot or cold it is outside. So, are you ready to learn? Then, let us start with a basic question. What exactly is weather? Weather is what you see outside on any particular day. Weather is basically the way the atmosphere is behaving, mainly with respect to its effect upon life and human activities. The difference between the climate and the weather is that the weather consists of the short-term changes in the atmosphere. Most people think of weather in terms of temperature, humidity, visibility, precipitation, cloudiness, brightness, winds, and atmospheric pressure as high and low pressure. In most places, weather can change from minute to minute, hour to hour, day to day, and season to season. Climate, however, is the average of weather over time and space. An easy way to remember between the difference of the two is that climate is what you expect, like for example, a very hot summer, and the weather is what you get, like the hot day with pop-up thunderstorms. By the way, there are things that make up the weather. So there are really a lot of components of weather, wherein weather includes the sunshine, the rain, the winds, the clouds, the hail, the snow, the sleet, and others. And now, let us proceed and dig deeper to the climate. So climate is how the atmosphere behaves relatively in a long period of time. When we talk about climate change, we talk about the changes of the long-term average of the daily weather. In addition to a long-term climate change, there are short-term climate variations. This is so-called a climate variability that can be represented by periodic or the intermittent changes that are related to El Nino, El Niña, and the other changes in the Earth system. As an individual living in the same world, it is very crucial to study the climate and the changing of climate, as it is affect people around the world. Rising the global temperature are expected to raise the sea level, and changes of the precipitation and other local climate conditions. So everyone, let us all save the Mother Earth by doing and by bringing our responsibilities. Thank you. Again, this is Teacher Jane, and God bless.